Hello friends, I am Binoy. Welcome to my YouTube channel Share Tips. We all heard about small finance bank concept. If we believe in the development of our economy in India, we can't avoid this small finance bank space. Actually, only 3 or 4 small finance banks are listed on the brochures and all are laying at an attractive levels. Before also I said we have to find out those companies before others identify that companies. I always said grab the stocks at this young age itself. I don't know any people remind that I recommended Founders Wings when it was laying below 100 rupees. It's a small cap stock, but it's a monopoly stock in the railway sector. And when every companies under the railway sector are in focus, now the share is traded above 600 rupees. Small cap company. This is the same way we have to find out good stock in small banking financial sector. It's a great sector we can't able to avoid. All are looking at attractive valuations. If you consider the fundamentals of the company is very good level. So among this space, I had out of 4 stock, I had selected one stock as a multi-bagger stock for the next 2 to 3 years. Before that, we have to understand what is a small finance bank when compared to other banks. Actually, small finance banks are giving the same facilities those given by the other banks. Savings banks, fixed deposit, loans to business loans are there, microfinance loans are there, and they are more concentrated on the housing development also. Small house finance sector also they are concentrated, just like HUDCO. And recently the management said that they are concentrating more on the sector and they expected more business from the affordable housing space. So before that we have to understand what is SFB bank when compared to other banks. They are giving same facility, but what is the differentiate between SFB bank and other private as well as PSU banks? Actually, they are giving services to the economically poor people in India, those people which are not getting full benefit or full services of the private bank or PSU banks. In that area, they are giving more concentrations. And we know that microfinance sector is also a well developing sector in India and they are well focused in microfinance also. So they go into the areas of poor people who are not getting any benefit, financial support from the PSU banks or private banks. They give support, they give financial assistance to them. If they want housing loan, affordable housing, they give loan, they give microfinance loan. If they want to fix a deposit, they give that facilities. All facilities they provided to the poor people, economically poor people in the India. So it's a great sector we can't able to avoid. Let's just come to Ujiivan Financial Services. What is the things I attracted most? They have a presence across 24 states in 248 districts and having 575 branches and 66 lakh customer base. And the management is confident that they can able to open more than 600 branches in 2023. They also provided banking facility, mobile banking facility just like other banks. But what is the difference is that they are giving mobile banking facility on all languages. And about dividend yield, the last 5 years they are giving continuous dividend and their dividend yield is 2.73%. For the last 5 years they are continuously giving dividend. Then about Ujiivan Finance, which received its final license from RBI on 11th November 2016 to set up a small finance bank. We all know that small finance bank is also under the radar of RBI. If we come to the valuation of the company, the face value is 10. Now the present price is 48 rupees. face value is 10, not 1 or 2. Year high is 90 rupees 50 paisa, year low is 90 rupees 50 paisa, and year high is 52 rupees 20 paisa only. PE ratio is only 7.77% when compared to industrial PE of 23.69. So the minimum price it should be must be above 100 rupees. EPS of 6.25 pen. More interesting is that the growth of EPS growth of 4,860% growth in EPS. So that gives a clear picture of the fundamentals of the company. Book value of 20 rupees. And FIS stake is interesting. They have near about 4% stake in the company. Recently, they increased the stake from 1.96 to 3.9%. And DIA is having 7% in the company. ICICI Prudential, Max Life Insurance, Aita Birla Life Insurance, all are holding a great percentage of shares in the company. And 73.6% was held by promoters. We know the Ujiivan Financial Services Limited is the promoter of the Ujiivan Small Finance Bank. And some news are there related to Ujiivan Small Finance Bank, which also support my recommendation. Ujiivan Finance Bank, we already tell, is a promoter of Ujiivan Finance Services Limited. There is a chance for a merger between the two. This is only a rumor. I don't get the clear picture of this. Just like IDFC First Bank, IDBI Bank, there may be a merger between Ujiivan Finance Services with Ujiivan Small Finance Bank. And another news that in MSCI index, Ujiivan Financial Service was added in the small cap fund. It's a great news. June quarter profit, they are shown a 324 crore profit versus 202 crore profit last June 2022 to 2022 June quarter. So if you compare with it, there's a near about 50% increase in the June quarter profit. Interestingly, in NPA decreased from 0.11 last year to 0.06 this year. And I already told which Ujiivan will be added in the Nifty 500 and Nifty Small Caps 250 index. This is also a rumor about that. I think the news is clear. Ujiivan will be added in the Nifty 500 and Nifty Small Cap 250 indexes. So altogether, a very good stock at its young age to grab. The minimum target for Ujiivan Small Finance, that is 90 rupees small short-term target, and 220 rupees may be the long-term target of Ujiivan Financial Bank if you people are ready to hold the share for the next 3 years. So as usual, this is my personal view about the company. Please have your own study or consult your advisor before taking position in the company. If anyone is new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Please forward my videos to your friends and relatives, like it and comment on my videos. Thank you very much.